Welcome to the course information page. We are going to be now looking at the syllabus. First, I just want to mention the syllabus addendum. It is a document that's important if you're going to be on campus, as it deals with campus security, fire drills, that type of thing. So if you're not just taking the online course, if you're going to be on campus as well, please read that over. But for now, we are going to look at the syllabus for this course. Here it is. Professor Jill Hines, that's me. So the best way to get in touch with me by far is email. I check it daily. Normally I get back to you within 24 hours. If more than 24 hours go by and you have not heard back from me, it probably didn't go through properly. So just check your spelling of the email address, especially my last name. Another option is to call the college. If you call and leave a message, if I'm not there, it will be turned into an email that I can click and listen to and get back to you as well. If we are planning on meeting together on campus, if you have something you'd like to discuss in person, I am located in B building, office 228C on the Barrie campus. My office hours are by appointment. So, welcome to Work Environment Communication. One of the big goals of this course is to prepare you for the level of professionalism needed in the workplace today in Canada. How are we going to do that? Well, we're going to get you through these 7 learning goals and objectives, which I would like you to read over when you have time. In week 3, you will be dealing in detail with one of these objectives as we discuss your future aspirations for employment and the communication skills that you have already and the ones that you will develop and refine throughout this course. So please read over those goals and objectives. As well, the grading scheme, 60% assignments, 20% presentations, and 20% tests. And that is how you earn your grades for this course. What else? Well, the textbook, the one that you must get, either purchase or have access to through the reservation desk at the library. We do have a reserve desk that you can use the text only within the library walls. You cannot sign it out. If you want to purchase one, this is our 3rd semester using it, so in theory there's lots of used ones kicking around. Please plan to purchase that or at least access it regularly to succeed in this course. Another text is called Sites and Sources. If you took Communication Essentials, you may have purchased it for that course. This is optional. The same material is available through the APA site on the library website. I will be referencing it frequently throughout the course. There are links to it within Blackboard. So if you like having a book that has all the facts in it, get Sites and Sources, but as I said, totally optional. All right, so how do you get success in this course? Well, read the textbook. Every week there will be readings from the textbook, which will prepare you to accomplish the course goals and also to succeed on your assignments. There are additional required readings online as well that you will be accessing. Be sure to get onto Blackboard a couple of times a week. Every Friday, I will be posting a new announcement that will come through your student email as well, but the announcement page will have the most recent information for due dates, that type of thing. As well, please check your student email at least twice a week. As an online instructor, that is the only way I have of getting in touch with you. So please be aware when you email me, please use that student account. I'm going to be using my professor account, and you're going to use your student account. I do not want us to exchange private email addresses. If you do write to me from your private email, I will be writing you back saying, please send this from your student email. So save yourself work and just send it from your student email in the first place. All right, what else? And you're working on time. Personally, I do not have any makeup assignments or late allowances for this course. As an online course, you're expected to keep up. Normally, you have a minimum of 7 days to complete your work. It is expected that you keep up. If you have a medical or bereavement emergency, please get in touch with me via email. There can be allowances made in certain circumstances, but otherwise, just do the work on time, please. If you have yet to visit our library or have a tour of the library databases, please arrange to do that within the next few days. We do use the databases frequently in this course for research purposes. If you have not gotten your off-campus login and PIN organized as well, if you want to work from home, that is a necessity. Drop by the library or call them to make that happen. Other things that are on campus to help you, the Writing Center, the Language Help Center. Both of those, if you are struggling with literacy, if you have frequent errors, that type of thing, I will be referring you to one or the other or both of those throughout the semester. Please take those recommendations seriously and book times with either center to refine your skills. For a professional communicator at college, we do have a certain level of expected ability, and those two centers can help you achieve that. Peer tutoring is also available, and you can access it, I think, through the Access Center in B110, or just look up peer tutoring on the Georgian website and it will guide you to the ones that you need. The Access Center in B110 has a number of functions, everything from time management to counseling to getting you a scribe if you break your hand and need someone to write for you, employment assistance, all kinds of things in there. So be sure to access those services as needed throughout the semesters and throughout your time here at Georgian. There is my policy. You can read that over regarding late submissions and that type of thing. Lastly, academic integrity. Don't cheat, don't plagiarize. We have pieces in place that will prevent you from doing that successfully. Do not make me use the academic misconduct and appeals section of the college calendar. Neither of us will be happy. Do your work, do it independently, do it to the level that it is expected. If you are struggling, contact me, contact one of the writing centers. Here is the basis of the policy, and following it, you and I will get along just fine, and you will have great success in this course. If you have any questions, please email me, and I wish you success in this course. Please now go to the weekly schedule video that is located also in the course information section. Thank you.